64 of the man. 1065, 1028. Delta Whiskey Hotel, 8468 on a silver and color Malibu. Possibly gonna be 1031.
64-3, I don't have you on any phone.
9-second loop in 58th Avenue. Get out the car! Show me your hands!
Oh my god, what happened?
Show me your hands!
What happened?
Show me your hands!
What happened? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Out the car!
Sir, what happened?
Out the car!
What happened,
Car.
sir? Oh my god, sir, what happened? Sir.
Why were you taking off on me?
I didn't know it was me, sir.
No.
Serious, I don't know what happened. I don't know what's happening,
Stop
sir.
pulling away.
Sir, you're about to have me. I'm peeing on myself. I'm about to have a seizure. I don't know what's going on. I was just... Sir, what happened? Please tell me what happened. Sir, I don't know what happened. Sir, I don't know what happened. Please tell me, please.
Executed, 1 detained.
I don't know what happened, sir. What happened? Please tell me what happened. Oh my god.
You just took off on me.
I was trying to pull over, sir.
No, you
Sir,
were
I
not.
I really did. Sir, I don't know what's
down.
going on. I don't know what's going on.
64th Amanda. Had a vehicle take off on me. Executed, 1 detained.
64-3.
What happened? Please tell me what happened.
Out the car.
I got a lighter.
Okay, slide this way.